8 pest control tips in and around your home. Pest control is fundamental when it comes to the comfort and safety of your family. Some of the most common pests in households include mosquitoes, rats, opossums, mice, mosquitoes, bedbugs, mites, spiders, flies, and cockroaches, among many others. Some of these pests are dangerous to human health. For example, mosquitoes are carriers of dengue fever. Others, like squirrels, cause significant damage to furniture and house fittings. The adverse effects of pests are enough reason to exterminate them. Read on for some tips to control these pests without harming the environment. Number 1, hire pest removal services. There is no denying that pest control can be a time-consuming process, especially if the pests in question are already in big numbers in and around your home. Resorting to eliminating them entirely on your own may mean you leave other activities so as to face them head-on. Also, some pests cause injury as you attempt to eliminate them. If you have the time and expertise, well and good, go ahead. But if you are busy most of the time, one good approach is to hire professional pest removal services. These have the experience to deal with even the most notorious pests like opossums. Opossums are one of the most common pests around your home. They are skilled leapers and climbers. The presence of hideouts like logs, bushes, and branches hanging near the roof usually make it difficult to catch them. If you suffer from opossum infestation and will want professional help, consider hiring pest removal services like opossum-pestcontrol.com. Number 2, homemade pesticides. Many pesticides are being sold in the market today for pest control, but some brands can be harmful to pets, children, or plants when not handled properly. In addition to that, they can also contaminate air, waterways, food, crops, and land. Some pesticides are, however, not hazardous. You can make an effective pesticide in the comfort of your home. Here are 3 examples of natural pesticides that you can use for pest control. Vinegar. If you want to get rid of ants in and around your home, vinegar is one of the best solutions. Take any amount of vinegar, say half a liter, mix it with half a liter of water, and then spray away using a spray bottle. Orange peels. You can use orange peels to control pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and slugs. After eating the orange, take the peels and put them in half-liter water. Leave it for 24 hours. Filter to remove the solid residues, and then put the citrus-filled mixture into a spray bottle. Add 3 to 4 drops of castle soap and then shake to mix. Spray directly onto plants, ants, or cockroaches. Peppermint oil. It has a terrific smell and is a chemical-free way of pest control. You can use it to get rid of pests such as lice, beetles, mice, spiders, and fleas. You can directly spread the oil to the problem areas or put 6 drops of peppermint oil on cotton balls and place them where pests pass or live. The last method is diluting the oil in water by mixing half a liter of water with 9 drops of peppermint oil and then transferring the mixture to a spray bottle. Number 3, seal gaps, holes, and crevices. Prevention is better than cure. To avoid dealing with pests, preventing them from getting into the house should be the first measure. Go outside and look for gaps, holes, and crevices to seal them. Use waterproof silicone caulk to seal smaller holes and steel mesh to build a base when sealing bigger holes. You can then cover the mesh using polyurethane foam. Number 4, cover openings using a wire mesh. For openings such as dia vents, chimneys, exhaust fans, roof vents, and crawl spaces, make sure that you cover them using a screen or a wire mesh. Apart from preventing larger pests like opossums from coming into your house, screens and wire meshes are also effective in keeping mosquitoes out while letting cool breeze in. Number 5, set up traps inside or outside the house. This is a good pest control measure because there are high chances of killing pests and preventing them from coming in. You can set up different insects and rodent traps inside or outside the house. The most common traps are ultrasonic rodent repellents, bird zappers, electronic traps, snap traps, cage traps, and glue traps. These traps are very effective in controlling larger pests such as rats and opossums. Number 6, dispose your garbage properly. Leftover foods and crumbs are some of the things that invite pests. It's therefore crucial to ensure that you clean up after taking your meals. Ensure that you wipe both the dining table and the kitchen countertops with a damp tablecloth and soap. If you have an indoor bin, ensure you empty it regularly to avoid attracting pests like cockroaches. Number 7, keep your carpets and floor surfaces clean. Dirt, spills, and crumbs will definitely attract mice and other pests. Also, always ensure that you vacuum both your carpet and floors several times a week. If this seems too much for you, you can always hire a carpet cleaning company to do the work for you. In addition to cleaning carpets, sweeping your floor should be part of your daily routine. Also, make sure that you've placed floor mats in front and behind every door to prevent soil from shoes from making your house dirty. Number 8, wash the utensils. Don't leave unwashed utensils in the sink overnight so that you can wash them the following morning. These utensils, especially the dishes and plates with food crumbs, attract cockroaches because of the smell of the food plus the darkness around the house. The best thing to do is to avoid cockroaches from infesting your house to wash the utensils before going to bed. Even if you're tired, you can wash the crumbs out and then wash them thoroughly in the morning. In conclusion, these pest control tips are incredibly effective in keeping your home free from pests. Keeping your home clean and hygienic keeps pests away as well as prevents you from contracting diseases such as chikungunya and Bacillus cereus. If you already have some of these unwanted guests infesting your home, take it as a matter of urgency and strategize on how to remove them. For any pests that seem stubborn, don't hesitate to seek professional help.